making a coin reach to its Curie point. Take a wooden block. Make a small hole using drill machine. Now place the L-shaped iron wire inverted into the hole. Take a coin and wrap aluminium wire around it as shown with a long edge. Now hang this coin on the iron wire. Place a small bar magnet on another side of the iron wire. Place the bolt so that it stays straight attracted to magnet. You can see that coin gets attracted to the bolt due to magnetic force. Now take a candle and light it with lighter. Did you see anything? Yes, the coins is no more attracted to the bolt for a while. This is called Curie point. When a piece of iron gets too hot, it loses its attraction to a magnet, and this is called Curie point.